MSBC. They have done a great job for us. We've had a relationship with Manjeet now for probably 5 years, and it's continued to grow every year. Very pleased with his relationships with customers, his ability to bring new customers to us, his understanding of the marketplace, and his ability to bring back information that's very relevant for our business and very relevant for our customers' business.
You know, as far as the traffic of visitors in the hallways, I think it's been very consistent. I don't think there's been a time all morning or all afternoon that we haven't had a customer on the stand, at least at some point. Good quality customers.
This is a good opportunity for us to take the next step of the sales in India for us together with MSBC, and we have good hopes for the exhibition.
I think again we're pleasantly surprised at the potential for the amount of investment for the carpet industry. I think it's relatively in its infancy here, but it seems like it's starting to become more like the textiles and the linens and that kind of thing, that there's a lot of excitement for the products and the machinery that we make, and it looks like the carpets industry is going to be growing here significantly over the next decade or so.
You know, the customers that we've talked to today has been about 50-50. 50 of them is people that we've met before and that we've done business with in the past, and 50% is new customers, people we haven't ever talked to before. So hopefully we can plant those seeds, and something will prosper from those.
The bonding between each people and the sales guys are very well. I also have to say that the technical support of MSBC is quite well, and also handling spare parts as well as helping with import and export things are running satisfied.
It's a good show. It's what we expected. A lot of new customers that we would not have known in Europe, a lot of Asian customers, and it's always good to get to know new customers and new leads for the company.
Yes, so far so good. We had quite a number of visitors, so yeah, I'm happy with the first day. MSBC is a very good representative company for India and the Middle East. We can see that they have a good relation with the customers, and it makes it easier for us to work together with the customer and MSBC.
This is the first time that I'm attending the ITME show, and the customer that we have been presenting to have been I think it's quite satisfactory for us. MSBC, we have been working with the company for more than 10 years. So far, I think most of the big clients that we are working on, the project that are carrying out, I believe that MSBC have a good relationship with them. That's why we are able to correspond with them and able to manage a new project with those clients.
We are having a success in the exhibition. We are very glad to be part of the team of MSBC. Our relations with MSBC is quite new. We just met Manjeet a couple of months ago, and we decided to collaborate immediately because we saw his professional way of approaching customers, and we are happy to be part of the family, and we count to go on collaborating and selling our equipment in Indian and Pakistan and Asian markets.
thing is that we have only good impressions from our new agency. Was recommended by our colleagues from other companies, and up to now we have very nice impression. I think they are close to the customers, they know what to do, and the impression for the first day is yes, we will be successful.
We had so far a great start here at the show. We had already discussions with customers for artificial grass, as well as for the polyester, FDY and POY winding. MSBC is really a great agency. They have a lot of knowledge for the polyester market, but as well as for the carpet industry. So we hope together we can start the artificial grass business here in India, and together we can do it.
This show is first time for us. The fair is very big and very good. Many people came to here for come to our booth and talk about the business and our productions. And we will be in touch all customers with MSBC.
This show is good because it is the biggest show in the Asia area, and Asia market is important for us. MSBC company, we have good relationship with them. We just start like maybe 2 years and getting good, growing up together very good.